App bar, address and search bar, scan off.
S3.
Loading page, GNS3, search, loading complete. GNS3, search has finished loading. Search results from, search results, document, loading page, document, loading complete. Communities has finished loading. Graphic, selected. Software GNS3, down, login GNS3. Email, suggestions, malikproject4@gmail.com, 1 of 2, selected. Loading page, saved passwords, region, custom landmark, loading complete. Communities has finished loading. Loading page, loading complete. Downloading, GNS3-2.2.33.1 all-in-one regular.exe, 93.3 megabytes. Downloads has finished loading. Downloads has finished loading. YouTube, work, Microsoft Edge window, loading page, downloading 1 files, 8. Downloads completed. Press Ctrl+J to go to downloads.
J.
Downloads, recent downloads, GNS3-2, show in folder, button. Downloads window, today, enter table items view, run as administrator, downloads window, window dialog. Space, store experience host window. Working, 0% progress ring. The app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft. Install any, download. User account control window, no, button, Alt. GNS3 2.2.33.1 setup dialog, next, button, Alt+N. GNS3 2.2.33.1 installer. Choose start menu folder. Choose a start menu folder for the GNS3 2.2.33.1 shortcuts. Choose which features of GNS3 2.2.33.1 you want to install, image. Check the components you want to install and uncheck the components you don't want to install. Click Next to continue. Select the type of install. Next, Edit, Seek, Next, button, Alt+N, Install, button, Alt+I. Hyper-V, radio button, non-selected, Install, but Extract, vc_redis.x64.ex, GNS3 Windows install GNS3 documentation and 2 more pages, work, Microsoft Edge, pane. GNS3 Windows install GNS3 documentation and 2 more pages, work, Microsoft Edge window, Microsoft Edge, GNS3 Windows install GNS3 documentation. Pane, GNS, software GNS, software,
W,
closing tab,
W,
closing tab. GNS3 2.2.33.1 setup dialog, extract, main.61 ABEC 15 EC5 CF18 F7 C62.js, GNS3 2.2.33.1 installer, GNS3 2.2.33.1 installer, GNS3 2.2.33.1 installer, installing. Please wait while GNS3 2.2.33.1 is being installed. Please wait while GNS3 2.2.33.1 is being installed, image. Pane. Pane, GNS3 2.2.33.1 setup dialog, OK, button. The GNS3 2.2.33.1 setup dialog, execute, program files GNS3 endcap 0.9990.exe wincap _mode equals no /.11 support equals yes. Endcap 0.9990 setup dialog, legacy loopback support for map 7.80 and older. Not needed for Wireshark. Checkbox unchecked. Nullsoft install system v2.51, Nullsoft install system v2.51, Nullsoft install system v2.51, installation options. Please review the following options before installing Endcap 0.9990. Please review the following options before installing Endcap 0.9990, image. Checked. Install, Show Details, button, Alt+D. No item in view. Next, button, Alt+N. Finish, button. GNS3 2.2.33.1 Setup Dialog, Delete File, program files GNS3 endcap 0.9990.exe, GNS3 2.2.33.1 Installer, GNS3 2.2.33.1 Installer, GNS3 2.2.33.1 Installer, installing. Please wait while GNS3 2.2.33.1 is being installed. Please wait while GNS3 2.2.33.1 is being installed, image. Execute, program files GNS3 solarputty.exe. Next, button, Alt+N. Next, button, Alt+N. GNS3 Windows install GNS3 documentation, work. GNS3 2.2.33.1 Setup Dialog, next, button, Alt+N. GNS3 2.2.33.1 Installer, finish, button. Scan, document, closing tab, loading complete. GNS3 Windows install GNS3 documentation tab item. Setup Wizard window, GNS3, Setup Wizard window. Setup, edit, program files GNS3 next, edit, read only, connect, next, VMware window, OK, button, enter. Setup Wizard window, VMware, recommended, checkbox checked, VMware is recommended to run QEMU-based appliances, combo box, down. Edit, edit, back, run appliances in a virtual, run appliances on my edit, back, next, edit, next, button, enter. Finish, GNS3, please wait GNS3 window, console, edit, GNS3 Management Console. Running GNS3 version 2.2.33.1 on Windows, 64-bit. Preferences, menu item, GNS3 window, preferences window. Preferences, enable the GNS3 VM checkbox. Settings, combo box, refresh, button, settings, combo box, group. GNS3 Windows install GNS3 documentation, work, downloads. Downloads paused at 0%. Downloads. GNS3 Windows install GNS. Preferences window, group. Virtualization. GNS3 window, preferences window, virtualization. Settings, combo box, group. Apply, button, enter. OK. GNS3 window, console, edit, GNS3 management. Preferences, menu item, please wait. Preferences window. Settings, combo box, down. Group. Console settings, command window, solar putty, included with GNS3, combo box, down. Solar putty, included with GNS3, 9 of. Putty, normal standalone version, 4 of 5. OK. Preferences window, console settings, edit, group. OK. GNS, please wait. GNS3 window, console, edit, GNS3 management console. Running GNS3 preferences, menu item, please wait. Preferences window. Settings, list VMS window, OK, button, enter. Preferences window, OK, GNS3 window, console, local server window. GNS3 Windows install GNS3 documentation, work, complement, downloading the GNS3 VM. GNS3 documentation, heading level 1. Downloading the GNS3 VM. Complement, GNS3 setup wizard, local server. GNS3 documentation. Heading level 1, CapG. Heading level 2, introduction. This document explains how use the GNS3 graphic, important. If you want to, video, link, heading level 2 video, https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=c9jeq6, link, heading level 2 overview. Alert zoom, 110%, 110%, zoom out. GNS3 Windows install GNS3 documentation, work, Microsoft Edge window, Microsoft Edge, GNS3 setup wizard, local server. GNS3 documentation. Pane, scan off.